Okay guys, this is the instrument, bamboo instrument. So this bamboo instrument, you can use it for defense. Like this for example. Tukar ka, nana ka, tukar ka, you have to play like this, nana. Hmm? Ana ka. And then, dunay mo attack kini mo. So, matira hits sige diri yun. Pak, ganon. So, how will you defense use this one? Pag mo pak, you have to block the impact here and block it. Then grab here hands and going down and what is tugsak here or the eyes. And then you have to release it and you have to release it and ganon. A big impact. And then you have to follow up your cake. The cake follow up. Ganon. So another. Nitira siya. Diri. So, tira niya da. Simple ra. You have to block it po. This one rin po. Block. Pag block, grab. And grab. We take hands. You have to strike sa iyang ulo and then you have to pak. Okay? Thank you for watching the small technique of Kung Fu. Okay.